Who's ready for part 2 and who's ready for beanie season, baby? You already know. It's 40 something degrees outside right now and we need to finish these headlights already. I told you guys already know I'm over the 300 headlights, so I need to get them done, get them back together, get Monique's bike back together, and we're good. Look who it is already! He likes playing with that cardboard box down there. Kitty cat, where you going? Let's go, come here. He legit likes drinking from the sink. He stopped when I started talking, but he legit enjoys the sink. He has a bowl full of water, he has a bowl full of food, but when I'm here and he sees me, he's like, turn the sink on for me, human. Human. Turn my sink on. So he knows, he wants me to turn it on for him, but we got work to do, kitty. Not right now. So first things first, we need to pull these ugly fucking reflectors off. But luckily for me, Yep left his impact here. Lesson of the day when it comes to taking off lenses. Well, reflectors. You take them off, you want to take them off a few turns on this one, a few turns on this one, a few turns on this one. So you take them off nice and evenly, so none of the little threads on the little plastic clips get stripped. Keep it level and simple. Just a couple turns, couple turns, couple turns. If you have a ratchet you have to use, it's gonna take even longer, but same concept. Couple turns, couple turns, couple turns. Just keep going in circles until it pops off. Now obviously, when you have a bunch of projectors and halos and stuff that you're putting on your headlights, you need a way to get the wires through, right? Luckily for us, Monique's Ninja 300 headlights has little holes in it already. Hole and hole. You can't see it that well, but there's a hole right there. But what we need to do is make it bigger. Alright, so now comes the fun part. The fun part that I was not looking forward to. So you guys know we had to watch the first part. If you didn't watch part 1, I'll link it right here. Actually, I'm gonna link it in the beginning. It'll be there already in the top this corner of the screen. It'll be there already from the beginning of the video. If you didn't watch part 1 though, go watch it now. And you know why we're doing this already if you watch part 1. Oh, this is bullshit. Look at this. See how beat up our lenses were already though? So it's like, they're already all fogged up and scratched up and beat up, and someone's texting me. And it's kind of a good thing that this happened, because now Monica's gonna have some fresh fucking lenses. But we need to get this off. And it's already dried. But these don't matter anymore. I could caveman in, break the shit out of them. It doesn't matter. I just need to get these off so I can get the projectors out and I can get the LED strips off. And I had to get some new 3M tape on the way home today. Got some. Ready for action. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver right now because I left my flatheads upstairs. Ugh. Okay, then never mind. That wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. Trying to be careful. Okay, there's that. Fuck this piece of shit. Don't need this. We just need the LED strip out of that. One more side to go, baby. Let's see. Easy. Easier than I thought. Now we need to take projectors off, put them on the new housings, and run all these wires through. Look how many wires there are. You have all these. Oh, I need to unclip these too. You have all these, and you have demon eyes, and you have the LED strips, and this is... What the fuck is this? Oh, this is... No, I'm stupid. This is the little corner LED. Look at... We're using this as a grommet, pretty much. That's why it's still on there. Corner LEDs, we're not running the corner LEDs because she didn't get the LED bulbs, and the stock halogens are ugly when you have HIDs and crystal white. So let me get all these off real quick. And just like that, we have them in the new housings. And as you can tell, I'm upstairs again. Kitty cat, kitty cat. He wants to play with all these wires. Kitty cat, you're not playing with these wires, okay? You're not playing with the wires. He wants a little attention because I've been downstairs for a little bit. But we're almost done. So close to being done. Kitty, stop crawling all over me. So close to being done. Gonna scrape this glue out and put the... Oh, sorry, kitty. You got scared. Put the new boodle on. After scraping and scraping all that glue Fuck, I hate scraping glue. Kitty, this is my cup. Leave my cup alone. Got the butyl on. Got the glue off. Butyl on. And now we have some bacon headlights. Tee. Because now that we're using butyl, obviously, instead of the silicone based glue that comes from the factory that's cheap as fuck and you never want to use, we can bake the butyl, get it nice and soft and squishy, squish the headlights together like a caveman, close the tabs and hope they stick. That's the game plan. And that's pretty much another set of headlights complete. Woo. Look at those fucking beautiful lenses. They got a couple spots on them because obviously my fingerprints and shit, but I'll clean them off. But yeah, they're not 100% perfect, but there's a couple little spots right there you can see. But other than that, their lenses are clear and they are together and complete. I got a little tab sticking where I need to stick down. That little tab's the last one I need to push down. Be done. And look at what we have here. Ooh. Big old jumbo mess of wires. Everything's finally on and put together. Oh shit. I just gotta finish hiding all the wires. Don't know where I'm gonna do that at. Maybe someone here somehow. And then it'll be done. Just put the fairings back on. We'll be good to go. I'll show you guys the lights once the bike's actually put together. So after a long and hard fought battle with the struggle with the lens cracking for no reason, getting everything we needed, finding a new set of headlights that quick, we're finally done. We are finally done. Monica's missing some clips on here, that's why this is kind of popping out. She's missing clips. Long story behind that. If you watched the fairings video, I think we talked about it, on why she's missing clips. But there they are. There they are. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's turn them on. I turned the lights off too in here, so you can see lights off. So, see if my camera will focus. Get the DRL strips. And then you got 2 toggle switches. 1, 4. You can't see very well, but we got a red demon eye, blue halo, white halo, LED strip. And then of course you turn that off and you have low beams on a separate switch, high beams functioning like normal. You can see a messy ass garage. Ignore that, I gotta clean all that shit up still. There's that. You can have the halos on too with the low beams if you wanted. You can't really see the demon eye. I mean, you can see a little glow of it right here. Look at it. Turn that off. Let me turn the light on. Kind of. But now on camera, the front halo looks white, but it's blue. You can see it looks blue in person too. And then, like I said, you got the DRL strips. These are actually switchbacks, but her turn signals currently don't work, and I think she has a blown relay, and I told her that too, but apparently she knew about that already. So here is the setup. It's really dark, hold on. Or yeah, her side pieces are just beat to hell. That was not me. Her pieces are already beat up. But look, yeah. Toggle switch, halos, low beams, and your high beams work like normal. Bloop, bloop. Overall, I'm happy with the results. Not happy about what happened with the whole lenses and shit and how those broke. And how we had to go on a mission to find another one. Although it was good because it was nice content. But look at, you can see, I showed the difference already, but look at this. These are all beat to hell. So it's kind of, in a way, it was kind of good that we went all the way to get some new ones. And the only thing we have left to do, aim the low beams and get her reaction, because I will get her first reaction on camera. I swear I wish I had my camera right now. I was about to start aiming the low beams, and I was like, alright, you know what? I better play it safe and turn the bike on while I do it. Battery was dead. I left it on for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, it's probably all the times because I, started it and turned it off a lot when I was testing everything. And all I did was start it up and turn it off right away, and I left the lights on and shit. Oh, I had a bump start it right now by myself, and that wasn't fun. But it's on. I'm probably just gonna take it around in a little circle real quick just to make sure the battery has somewhat of a charge. I got a helmet right here, I can just throw that on. Wait. I can just throw this helmet on real quick. Go around in a circle, that way people don't look at me funny, like, why are you not wearing a helmet? You're riding a bike around here. So I think I'm gonna do that real quick. Make sure it has a little bit of charge. So bougie, about to put your glass on Monique. Reaction. Hold on.
I love it. It's beautiful.
Boom. Are you ready? Woo!
I love it. Oh my god. It's staring right at me.
Look at those lenses, dude, compared to your old Dookie ones.
I know. Oh my god.
Fucking beautiful.
Really beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah, buddy. Now you got 2 switches, one for your angel eyes and demon eyes, and then you got the other switch for your low beams. And then of course you got your high beam switch still. Bloop,
Okay,
bloop.
wait, you're gonna have to teach me how to use those.
Oh shit. Satisfied, Moniqua?
Yeah, I'm satisfied. Yes, thank you.
Alright, we're good.
Thank you.
Now I need to aim these fucking low beams real quick. Moniqua gets new headlights, then she goes to the Apple store. Moniqua, tell us what you got. Show us what you got. A new iPhone 11 in purple. Someone else got the same thing. She's like, no, that's on my face. April got the same phone. They're fucking
I'm gonna
twins.
go home and try to set it up already so I can use it already.
Let me tell you guys something. Hang out with rich people. Then it makes you feel rich even though you're broke. See? iPhone 10.
We're broke now though.
New iPhone. New BK Moto headlights. Brought me in and out because I'm hungry.
Victoria's Secret.
Victoria's Secret stuff. Both of them.
Undies.
Undies.
In case you wanted to know.
I'll leave that in there. I don't care. I mean, see, I need to hang out with more rich people. Okay, if you guys are rich, hit me up. If you guys have headlights you want done, hit me up unless it's a 300. Don't hit me up if you have a 300. Keep that shit away from me. Keep Ninja 300s away from me unless you open the headlights yourself, because I ain't doing that shit no more. I'm done with that. Fucking done. BK Moto headlights? BK Moto headlights. Woo! And April's Honda in the background. Tee. Damn. Stock headlights, because no aftermarket shit. Before we close out today's video on this successful headlight project, let me hit you guys with the life hacks. You ready? Best candle at Bath & Body Works right now? This is my favorite. Hot cocoa and cream, baby. So I got myself that. And they were buy one, get one free, so I had to get 2 of them. I got 2 hot cocoa and creams because they're seasonal. And I spoiled myself one more time. One more thing. Apple, call me Apple. Call me Steve Jobs. One more thing. Speaking of which, I spoiled myself. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Not gonna unbox it or anything. I just want to throw it out there. I did buy myself something finally. You know what? Let's take it out of the box. Hold up. Well, I just realized that my tripod is downstairs, so we're gonna go just like this. Ready? Ooh. Ooh. Cat. Alright, go play with that plastic. I don't care. Kitty cat wants to play with the plastic. iPhone. I'm pretty sure you guys already seen this box before on other people opening this shit. That's really nice compared to iPhone 10. Bloop. But that's it. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like the headlights. And if you do, drop a like, drop a sub. You know what to do. Catch y'all later, right, kitty cat? Meow at me. Never mind, I don't want to meow. Bye.